Hi there. Uh, Everyone in this world want to be success and they become millionaire in his business or her business. And maybe you have already tried a lot of skills and you just follow a lot of mentors, but you don't see that you'll become success or become millionaire. Okay, in this video, I'll show you 3 overlooked habits all successful people and all millionaires shares. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hey entrepreneur, I'm Moses Castico. Yeah, welcome to my channel, Castico More. In this channel, I'm teaching about how to make money from home, investing, motivation. So if you are interested in that, don't forget to subscribe down below and click that bell icon in order to see my future video. Yeah, okay. As I said before that many people have tried a lot to do their best to become millionaires and to become a success, but they don't. But they struggle or they struggle on that, and they don't know what's wrong, why they don't make it, and this is because they don't have the habits of millionaires and successful people. So today I come with that 3 habits that will help you to become millionaires and success in your business or at any angle of your life. Yeah, and I think that you are ready. Okay. Before I start with the number 1 habits, let me give you a short story of mine. Yeah, when I was a standard 7 at primary school, I shifted from my hometown to the southern region in my country, to my grandmother's house. It took me we took a bus, and we took about 14 hours with the bus. It was a long trip. It was my first time to travel with that with that many hours. So good thing that I was near with the driver, so I was looking at everything what the driver do, and I was so excited, and I really enjoyed that journey. And once I was there for about 1 year, yeah. Since that day, I was so interested with the bus driver driving a bus, and the bus in general. Okay, I was so interested when I see bus. I was excited, and I dreamed to become a driver. Yeah, but when one day one of the big bus companies introduced the new bus, luxury one, and everyone in that town talk about that new luxury bus, and which is impressed me a lot. That new bus, the engine is the backside of the bus at the rear, so everyone wants to see that bus, and it has a timetable. It comes 3 times a week. So the day one day I just go there. I go to look at that bus, and when I was there, everyone just around that bus, but my desire was just to go inside the bus and see how interior how interior look like, but no one is allowed to go inside at that time. So fortunately there is a bus assistant and other guys who clean inside the bus. So what I do, I just go to the bus assistant and say that, and I told that I asked him that can I help to clean inside for free? The guy was wonder, why for free? Yeah, if we free, it's okay. Just help me with the guy. So we go inside with the one who's normally used to clean inside the bus. So I enter the bus, and I see inside the bus. Wow, it was very nice cities. Big. There is a number of screen. I so excited. And from that day, from there, I just helped the guy to clean. After I finished cleaning, the guy who, the bus assistants came inside and said, "Wow, you are good in cleaning. So from today, you will be the one who will clean this bus." And in the buses, it's coming 3 times a week, so just come. And so from that day, every time the bus arrived at that region, I was the one who cleaned the bus, and I get $5. I get $5 for cleaning that bus. It was good money for me because it was just a pocket money for me, and I was really excited. So what I want to tell here that first of all, success people add value to the society. From my side, I add value. I just clean for free, then I get money, and then after that I get the money. I was the one who cleaned the bus. And the same thing for the success people and millionaires people. They add value first before they're asking for return. So make sure that you add value to society. There is one motivation speaker called Zig Ziglar. You know, one of his speeches said that help other people to get what they want, and you get what you want. Help other people to get to pay their bills. Your bills will pay automatically. Help other people to have a food. Your food will come automatically. So make sure that you help other people first, then yours will come. Okay, so make sure you add value to society, and then before you ask for any return, then automatically you get what you want. Okay, let's go to the number 2. Number 2, all success people, all millionaires people, they don't take defeat as a failure. They take defeat as a lesson to them. They don't fail at their lifetime. They don't say they failed. They get lesson from that failure. So make sure that don't take defeat as a failure or misfortune. Take it as a lesson. That is the habit number 2 for all millionaires people and all success people. Yeah, they are ready to learn every day. They make sure that every mistake they make, they take it as a lesson, and not failure. Okay, let's go to the number 3 and the last one. And this is not other than success people or millionaires people. They are good listener. Yeah, they don't talk much. They're good listener. They just listen first, and before they give out their opinion. Yeah, why? Because they want to hear what's the problem for the people, or what's wrong with the people, and they're easier to take action, or to give advice. Yeah, this is habit of all success people. They don't talk much, but they are good listener. They just use the biological. You have two ears and one mouth. So obviously you have to listen first, then you have to talk. All right? So this is other habits of success people. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you get something from this video. If you have other habits that success people have, just comment down below, and I'll see it and I'll share with the other people. Okay? Yeah. As I told you before, if you are new on this channel, make sure that you subscribe down below and click that bell icon in order to see my future video. Yeah. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Thank you.